If you're on this YouTube, you are looking for information about the best soil mix for growing your Pilea Peperomioides. I'm saying it wrong, but this plant. So this video is going to be super quick. For the Pilea, they like most plants, they like quick draining soil that doesn't stay too wet, but retains a little bit of moisture. So what I have found to work really good for mine is I get an indoor potting mix. I use the Kellogg brand. I think I've talked about this quite a lot on my YouTube channel. It's 3 parts of a potting mix and then 1 part of perlite. And I just use the Miracle-Gro perlite. And this is what it looks like. So the perlite's going to help it stay wet, but without being too wet for the peperomioid. And once you mix it all together, it's going to look like this. So it's going to look a little bit light because of all the perlite. But this is the soil that you're going to want to use if you're growing your Pilea Peperomioides indoors. And I've had really good results with it.